So I learned how to play the didgeridoo. I didn't learn how to play it. I can make the correct sounds, but to play for an extended period of time, you have to learn the circular breathing, which was difficult. There's a lot of YouTube videos that tell you how to do it, and good instruction, but it's like every instrument. You gotta be consistent and spend time every day. But the idea is your last breath as you're blowing is you breathe in through your nose and continue the sound. So I can play as long as I can hold my breath. That's it. The professionals, the guys that have mastered it, can play continuously. Now that I'm on camera. Anyway, I played it for a couple months right off the bat. To make the sound, it just takes consistency. You keep blowing in. It's that kind of that kind of movement. But the problem is you put the didgeridoo against it, it stops. But anyway, you keep doing that over and over and over, and within an hour or so, you'll make the sound. Once you make it, you know it. Did it help me my snoring? I don't feel that I mastered it enough to determine it. I think if I could play it consistently without having to breathe, that maybe it would have. It's a fun instrument to have. It hangs on my wall, like I said it would. But since I'm an old fart, and I can only play it as long as I hold my breath. My wife likes the sound. She says it's soothing, and so there you go. I wanted to put an end to the didgeridoo thing. So this was part 2, and there you go.